Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, which is pro market analyst at Hantec on Tuesday, 3rd of September. Looking at euro dollar, which has broken down in the last few days. We're looking at a 7th negative candlestick in a row, 7th negative close in a row. We've breached that support at 110.25, that old August low. That's been left well behind. 110 big figure, that didn't last anywhere near as long as it could have done, and we're now at levels not seen since early 2017. 109.50, basically 100 pips away from the next real level of support. 108.50, this old pivot line through 2016 into 2017 is the next key low. Now I've drawn in this morning this little, I suppose you could argue being a trend line, trend channel. And if you actually take it from there, it does become a downtrend channel. So what you're looking at, I think, at the moment is that euro is clearly following a path lower, and it's pretty extreme actually within that move. And 28 on the RSI is obviously very negative, but it's also stretched. And you can see, if I extend the axes, time and time again, 30 tends to be the limit on that RSI. It's just a shade under 30 at the moment, but we do tend to see that the market is limited around that sort of level, and then you start to see a bit of a rebound. The only caveat to that would be, I think, in May 18, where you saw pretty much throughout the month the RSI under 30, and then as the market just continued to fall away. But then you did see a 300-400 pip rally, and back in August 18 as well, again you saw another sizable recovery from that stretched euro underneath 30 on the RSI. So is this a position that you're going to see a similar move? Well, as I said, you're not a million miles off what would be considered to be the bottom of this trend channel. So we need to be a little bit cautious, I think, bearing in mind how far the euro has fallen in the last week or so. It's fallen from 111.60 area to 109.50, so it's over 200 pips down. Anyway, on the hourly chart, are we seeing signs of exhaustion? Not really. We're still seeing just very continuation of the negative configuration, really. 40 to 50 is limiting on the RSI on unwinding moves. Seemingly that's the point at which the bears come back in. You're still very negatively configured on the MACD. So yeah, I think we're still just fairly well negatively set up to sell into strength, and you'd be looking at initially, I suppose, 109.55, but essentially that rebound high that failed at 109.75 yesterday, and then 110 big figure again, the rebound high of yesterday. So I think that we're still looking negatively configured on euro, but I'm just opening the warning that it is pretty stretched now. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos on YouTube, but also go to our website where you can sign up for our webinars.